In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Affirm credit limit 2025, step by step. By the end, you'll understand the types of limits on your Affirm card for pay in full transactions, and exactly where to find them in the app based on how your card is linked. First, a quick primer on what these limits mean. Your Affirm card has three key limits when you choose to pay in full. The Spend Now limit is the maximum amount you can use without setting up a payment plan. Think of it as your immediate purchasing power when you're not financing. There's also a daily transaction limit, which caps how much you can spend in a single day without a plan, and a monthly transaction limit, which caps your total pay in full spending over a month. These limits help manage risk and keep your spending predictable. It's important to know that your spend limit is personalized. It's based on your purchase and repayment history with Affirm and can change over time. Also, this spend limit is only available if a bank account is linked to your Affirm card. Now, let's walk through how to view these limits if your card is linked to an external bank account. Open the Affirm app and head to the Card tab. To see your pay in full limit, switch the toggle to Pay in Full and tap See Details. That's where your current Spend Now limit will appear. To check your daily and monthly card limits, tap the Settings gear icon. On the settings screen, choose View Card Limits to see those numbers in one place. If your card is linked to an Affirm Money account, the steps look almost the same. Open the Affirm app and go to the Card tab. When you toggle to Pay in Full, you'll see your Affirm Money account balance, which functions as your pay in full limit in this setup. For your daily and monthly limits, tap the Settings gear icon and then View Card Limits to review the caps for both timeframes. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. If something looks different in your app, it may be due to version updates, but the Card tab and the Settings gear are your anchors. If you're using an external bank, make sure it's linked and in good standing so your spend limit appears. And remember, merchants may have their own restrictions, so availability can vary at checkout. That's it. You now know what each limit means and exactly where to find them in the Affirm app, whether you're linked to an external bank or an Affirm Money account.